We're at Mungo Farms. These are going to be the heifer mates to the steers. They were dominantly black, also some reds. Should be about 80% black. They're also double vaccinated, guaranteed open. These cattle are coming out predominantly Angus bulls. Cattle are weaned. They're bone broke. Gonna be medium frame, medium flesh. Some more of the Mungo cattle, Mungo family farms. Here's some more of the heifers. Heifer's going to be weighing probably right around 700 pounds. And will be weaned, will be bone broke. It's a real nice set of heifers. Again, there will be a few reds. These all have been double vaccinated, wormed, and weaned. It's going to be some more heifers of the Mungo family farms. Again, all these cattle are home raised. There's two brothers and one uncle putting these herds together. They all use the same vaccination program, same type bulls. Everything is the same on all three farms. Just a real nice fancy set of calves. We'll be selling on the Max June sale.